Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Class Grade 2 SDI Al Munawwarah. Today we still learn Unit 1. Teacher Ida will explain about activity part C. Okay, let's begin our lesson today by praying. Take your hand, let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Here I have some awesome word. Inshallah, by having this word, it will make it easier for you to understand the task you will do later. What are they? Damage. Damage mean rusak atau kerusakan. And then behavior means perilaku atau perbuatan. Perilaku itu artinya perbuatan. And then living things mean makhluk hidup. And then the last one, fish pond mean tambak ikan atau boleh juga disebut dengan. Now please pay attention what will I explain to you. Today you will do your activity on 4.3.1 on page 12. So you have to pay attention to me. This one, the picture for the question number 1. What picture is it? I think the picture on your workbook isn't clear. Jadi gambar yang ada di workbook kalian itu kan tidak jelas ya nak ya. This one you can see here. What picture is it? Gambar apa ini kira-kira? Okay, this one we call it as river, sungai. In the river we can see a lot of water. The water flows from the upstream to the downstream. Jadi air di sungai itu mengalir dari hulu ke hilir. This is clean water. All the living things need water to stay alive. Who are the living things? Human, animals, and plants need water to stay alive. So, you can imagine how if there is no water around us. I have two pictures. Which one the best? Yang mana yang paling baik menurut kalian? Picture A or picture B? Please see. In picture A, the water so clean and fresh. No rubbish. What about the picture B? Which one we need? Kira-kira yang mana yang paling kita butuhkan? Okay, now let's go to your activity. Before you do your activity, you have to read the question first. Baca perintahnya. Ini nak, perintahnya penting ya. Setiap mengerjakan tugas, baca perintahnya. Answer the question below correctly. Look at the following picture. This one, the picture I have shown you before. Jadi gambar yang besar barusan sama dengan ini ya nak ya. Your task is read this one. The picture beside shows. Gambar di samping ini menunjukkan apa? You have to tick one of them. Both of them, which one the best? Which one the correct one? Is this picture natural environment or maybe artificial environment? Which one? So you have to tick one of them. Silahkan dikasih tanda centang. And then read this one. The environment above may be damaged by human bad behavior. Jadi lingkungan ini bisa aja rusak karena perbuatan buruk manusia, perilaku buruknya. The question in A, what would happen if the environment shown above is damaged? Kira-kira apa yang akan terjadi kalau lingkungan ini rusak? How about us? Sorry. Bagaimana dengan kita? Kalau misalnya lingkungan yang di atas itu rusak. How the living thing need the water. And then in section B, look at this one. What would you do to make the environment above undamaged? Kira-kira, kan kita nggak pengen lingkungan kita tuh rusak. Kira-kira apa yang akan kamu lakukan agar lingkungan ini tidak rusak? Biar airnya tetap fresh. What should you do to make the water in the river still clean and fresh? So when all the living things need water from the river, we can get it. And then, now I have the picture for the second picture. The second question. Look at this one. What picture is it? I think in the picture in your book isn't clear. This one we call as fish pond. Fish pond. Tambak ikan. Look at this one. What is fish pond? Apa sih tambak ikan itu? Tambak ikan itu, pond in fisheries are artificial pond, usually in coastal areas, which are filled with water and used as a mean of aquaculture. Jadi, tambak itu kalau dalam perikanan disebut juga kolam buatan. Biasanya ini kita temui di daerah pantai. Biasanya setelah dibangun, ini setelah dibentuk, lalu diisi dengan air. Untuk apa? Untuk dimanfaatkan sebagai sarana budidaya perairan. Karena ini mau dijadikan sarana budidaya perairan, so what are the cultivated animals can we find here? Of course, there are aquatic animals. Jadi biasanya binatang yang dibudidayakan di sini itu pasti binatang-binatang air ya. For example, fish, and then shellfish, kerang, and also shrimp, udang. Jadi ada tambak udang, tambak ikan, biasanya gitu ya. Jadi kita butuh ini. Kita bisa dapat ikan, dapat udang karena ada tambaknya juga. Now look at the question. The picture beside show a natural environment or an artificial environment. What do you think? Which one? The correct one, and then please take one of them. The environment above may be damaged by human bad behavior. Ini juga bisa aja rusak karena perilaku buruk manusia. What would happen if the environment shown above is damaged? Kira-kira kalau ini rusak, apa yang akan terjadi? Can you eat the fish? Can you get the fish easily? And then the second, what would you do to make the environment above undamaged? Apa yang harus kamu lakukan biar tambak ini tetap bagus, tetap bersih, tetap sehat, ikannya hidup sempurna? So we can get the fish easily. What should you do? Please think and then write down here. Okay. Please do your task correctly and then submit on time. Thank you for paying attention, and then thank you for being a nice kid. And then let's pray after studying. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. See you. Assalamualaikum.